Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sample as MIDI in Ableton. This powerful feature allows you to convert any audio recording into editable MIDI data, opening up a world of creative possibilities. You can extract melodies, harmonies, or drum patterns from your favorite samples. Once converted, this MIDI can control any virtual instrument, letting you manipulate musical elements in entirely new ways. It's a fantastic tool for remixing, sound design, and kickstarting fresh ideas in your productions. To begin, simply load your desired audio clip onto an audio track in Ableton Live. Once your audio is in place, right-click on the clip to reveal several conversion options. If your sample contains a single-note line, choose Convert Melody to New MIDI Track. For chords or polyphonic audio, select Convert Harmony to New MIDI Track. If you're working with a percussive loop, Convert Drums to New MIDI Track is your best option. Ableton will then analyze the audio and create a new MIDI track with a default instrument. After conversion, double-click the new MIDI clip to open the clip view, revealing the MIDI note editor. Here, you can fine-tune individual notes, adjusting their pitch, length, and position with precision. Don't forget to edit note velocities to add dynamic expression, making your performance sound more natural. The Fold button is incredibly useful for displaying only notes within a chosen musical scale, simplifying harmonic adjustments. You can also easily correct any minor conversion errors by moving or deleting unwanted notes. Now for the exciting part, replacing the default instrument. Simply drag and drop any virtual instrument or drum rack from your browser onto the new MIDI track. This allows you to completely transform the sound of your original sample, giving it a fresh character. Try layering multiple instruments to create rich, complex textures, or experiment with MIDI effects like the arpeggiator or scale to further manipulate the notes. The possibilities are nearly endless, offering immense creative freedom for your music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.